Good morning, children. Welcome to your reasoning class. Dear children, today I am going to start a new chapter, Chapter 3, Alphabet Test from your reasoning book given in page number 21. In this chapter, you have to learn about 4 types of question. You have to learn about 4 types of question. Here you can see in page number 21 of your book. There are 4 types of question. In this video, we will learn about the first 2 types of question. What are they? Type 1. How to arrange the numbers given to the corresponding letters so that they form a meaningful word. In this type of question, children, you have to arrange the letters in the different combinations given in options to find a meaningful word. In type 2, you can see finding the word from the options that can or cannot be formed from the given letters. What you will do in this type of question? You have to observe carefully all the letters given in the question and find the combination of letters from the given options that contains or does not contain letter. So let's start with question number 1. In page number 22, you can see exercise. The type of question is given here. From question number 1 to 7 is based on type 1 question. Find the meaningful combination of numbers so that letters are accordingly to form a meaningful word. We have to find the meaningful combination of numbers. We have to find the meaningful combination of numbers to find a meaningful word. Here in question number 1, you can see that the alphabets given are D, I, B, R, and the numbers related to them are 1, 2, 3, 4. See, children, carefully that the number 1 indicates the letter D. Number 2 indicates the letter I. Number 3 indicates the letter B. And number 4 indicates the letter R. So, you have to find out the correct option from to find out the meaningful word. Let's check it out. Let's check option A. In option A, you can see the numbers given are 3, 2, 4, 1. And we will make the word according to these numbers. So the first letter which will come here as per the question is, the number is 3. So which letter will come? 3 stands for B. So B will come here. 2. Letter 2 indicates the letter I. I will come here. And 4. The number 4 indicates letter R. So R will come here. And number 1 indicates letter D. So D will come here. So bird. The meaningful word is bird. Bird is a meaningful word, children. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be option A. If you will get your answer in the first option only, then there is no need to check the other options. Okay, children? So the answer for question number 1 is option A. Option A. Similarly, we have to do the second question. Similarly, you can see on the board that I have written the second question. In the second question, you have to follow the same rule that we have applied in question number 1. Here you can see that the alphabets are given Q, A, U, S, R, E, and each alphabet is indicated by number. So, number 1 indicates letter Q, number 2 indicates A, number 3 indicates U, number 4 indicates letter S, number 5 indicates letter R, and number 6 indicates letter E. So, let's check the option which will form a meaningful word. So, the first option is option A. Option A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will come again the same thing. Q, A, U, S, R, E. You can see, children, that this is not a meaningful word. So, this will not be your answer. Option A will not be your answer. Let's check out option B. 3, 1, 4, 2, 5 and 6. Let's put the letters indicated by these numbers. So, number 3, U. U will come here. Number 1 indicates for letter Q. Q will come here. Number 4 indicates letter S. S will come here. Number 2 indicates letter A. A will come here. And 5 for R and 6 for E. You can see that the second option is also not making a meaningful word. So, this will be not your answer. Let's check option C. 4, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6. 4 stands for S. 1 stands for Q. 3 stands for A. 2 stands for 3 stands for U. See, 3 stands for U, 2 stands for A, and again 5 stands for R, and 6 stands for E. Square. The word formed is square. Square is a meaningful word. So what will be your answer? Option C will be your answer for question number 2. Let's see question number 3, children. I have written down the question. M, U, E, R, N, B. These are the letters given in your question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 followed by this number. So, let's check option A. Number 5. Number 5 indicates letter N. 1 indicates M. 2 indicates U. 6 indicates B. And 3 indicates E. Whereas 4 indicates R. This is not a meaningful word. Let's check out option B. So option A is not your answer. 5, 2, 1. So 5 is N, 2 is U and 1 is M. So N, U, M. N, U, M. The next 3 numbers are 6, 3, 4. So 6 is B, 3 is E and 4 is R. So the letters are B, E, R. Number is a meaningful word. So the answer for question number 3 is option B. Have you understood, children? Now let's move towards question number 4. In question number 4, given are A, N, R, K, followed by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's check out options. Option A, 1, 3, 2, 4. 1 is for A, 3 is for R, 2 is for N, and 4 is for K. This is not a meaningful word. These letters are not forming a meaningful word. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, you can see that these letters cannot make a meaningful word. So, and these are same. So I am writing the same letters here as per your question. Question number 3. Let's check out option C. 3, 1, 2, 4. So the letters are in the letters indicated by number 3 is R. 1 indicates A, 2 indicates N, and number 4 indicates K. Rank. Rank is a meaningful word. So what will be your answer for question number 4? Option C. Option C will be your answer for question number 4. So children, I hope that you have understood about the type 1 question and you will do question number 5, 6 and 7 with your own. Let's move about type 2 question from 8 to 11. Now students, we will discuss about type 2 question. Type 2 question is, in each of the following question, find the word that cannot be made from the letters of the given word. From question number 8 to 11, you will find such kind of question that cannot make a word from the given letters. You can see from question number 8 to question number 11, there is a word given for you and you have to extract other words from that word, and you have to find out that which option in the word given in which option cannot be made from the given word. So let's start with question 8. Carpenter. Carpenter is a word given here in question number 8. Let's check out that which option is which word we cannot make from this word. Option A is nectar. Nectar. N is there? Yes. E is there? Yes. C is there? Yes. And again T is there. Yes. A. Yes. And R. Yes. So you can see that nectar can be made from the word carpenter. Now let's check option B. Carpet. C-A-R-P. C-A-R-P. You can see the first 4 letters of the word carpenter is there, and the next 5 actually. C-A-R-P-E. C-A-R-P-E is present. Again you can see after skip the letter N, you can see T also. So carpet, you can also make the word carpet from the word carpenter. So we can also make this word carpet from the word carpenter. So our option A, B, or we can make from these words. Painter. P-A-I. P. Here you can see carpenter. P is there. A. A is also there. I. I is there. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R. No. Letter I is missing. Letter I is missing in carpenter. Letter I is not there. So we cannot make this word. We cannot make this word painter from the word carpenter. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be option C. So the answer for question number 8 is option C, painter. Let's see Question number 9. In question number 9, you can see our given word is reasonable. The word given is reasonable. You have to find out the word which we cannot make from this word. The first option is brain. Let's check the first option. B. B is there? Yes. R. R is also there. A. Yes. A letter is there. I. Let's find out letter I. REASONABLE. No, children. We cannot find letter I in the word reasonable. It means that we cannot form this word from brain from the word reasonable. So, what will be your answer? Your answer will be option A. So, no need to check out the other options. You find your answer from option A only. So, your answer will be option A for question number 9. Let's see question number 10. The word given in question number 10 is unconscious. The word given in question number 10 is unconscious. So let's check out the options. The options are sun, coin, sun and nose. So children, we will check out the options. S-O-N. Can we make this word from this word conscious? S. Can you see S? Yes, S is there. O is there. N is there. It means option A, the word given in option A, sun, can be made from the word conscious. Coin, our next word is given in option B is coin. Let's check out. C, here is C. O, yes, O is also present in the word conscious. I, yes, here this is I is also present. N is also present. So we can make sun, we can make the word coin. Let's check the option C. It's again sun that we see early in the morning. S is there, yes. U, yes, U is also there in the word unconscious. N is also there. So we can make the word sun from the word unconscious. It means that option A, B and C, we can make all the words given in option A, B and C from the given word unconscious. So what will be your answer? No need to check question option D. It is understood, self-understood that your answer will be option D because E, letter E. You cannot find letter E in the word unconscious anywhere. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be option D for question 10. Okay children? Let's see type 2 last question number 11. So here you can see children, the word given in your question number 11 is recreation. And you have to find that word which we cannot make from the given word recreation. The first word is given in option A is ration. R-A-T-I-O-N. Here you can see letter R. R is there, yes. A is there, R is there. T, yes, T is also there. I is also there. O, N. Yes, it means that we can make this word ration from the word recreation. Option B, action. A is there, letter A is there. C, yes, letter C is also there. T is there. I, yes, I is also present. O-N is present. It means we can also make the word action from recreation. Tall, option C is already marked. Letter T is present. O is also present. R is the first letter of recreation. N is all the last letter of this word recreation. So it means that we can also make the word torn from the word recreation. So children, what will be your answer for question number 11? Your answer will be option E. Refer. This is your answer for question number 11 because we cannot make this word from the given word. R is there, E is there, F, R, E, C, R, E, A, T, I, O, N, F is the missing letter, children. So letter F is not present in the word recreation. So we cannot make option D the word refer from the given word recreation. So what will be your answer? Your answer is option D, refer. Is it clear, children? So children, I hope that this video is useful for you, all of you, and you will watch this video at your home and you will solve all the questions from question number 1 to question number 11 in your copy. So thank you, children.